This portion of the video for the HVAC system is to determine the age of the air handlers. I'm going to try to move in close to the data tag so you can see what we're looking at. 0415 in the serial number indicates that it was manufactured the 15th week of 2004. It is also a 2-ton unit. According to the data, according to the sticker on the air handler, the system was started up August 24th of 2004. This is the original system that was installed when the home was constructed. Makes it approximately 12 years of age.